Now our focus on some concerns raised by some parents, and a section of parents and learners in Mombasa County are expressing reservations about the effectiveness of Covid-19 containment guidelines, saying they will not be sufficient to stop an outbreak of the novel coronavirus in schools. They are concerned mingling of students who hail from different parts of the country where Covid-19 prevalence rates may be higher than at the coast could lead to a wave of new infections, and in particular in boarding schools. Junei Karisa with that report.
Mandatory face masks, sanitation booths, social distancing requirement, as well as other containment measures were adhered to as schools opened their doors to grade 4, standard 8 and form 4 learners across Mombasa County. At the Star of the Sea Primary, pupils from grade 4 and class 8 were spread out in 18 classes as teachers remained hawk-eyed to ensure adherence to the COVID-19 prevention protocols.
We are ready to continue talking to our children, especially to be used to stay with the mask. You know, it's not comfortable for the children.
It is a state of affairs replicated in most public schools across the county. For schools with boarding facilities such as the Mama Ngina Girls High School, dorms have 3 decas out of the usual 6.
We are ready. The girls have started reporting. And I believe we are going to adhere to the safety and health protocols.
School heads assuring parents and guardians that all measures are in place to facilitate smooth resumption of learning.
Parents don't need to worry. The government has provided, we had enough textbooks before we closed, and I'm sure they are going to continue adding to the deficit of the textbooks. We have enough teachers.
All I'm asking for is for my girls to come to school. The rest will follow. I believe they will feed. And I believe finally the parents will pay the fees.
Meanwhile, boarding schools at the coast, just like many across the country, have students from all corners of the Republic, a fact that is causing anxiety among many stakeholders. Many expressed fears of an outbreak of coronavirus in schools.
Pengine hata kama huku kwetu Mombasa ama Pwani, pengine kuna ile maambukizi makubwa ya Covid-19. Lakini pia kule nje, je, wakiwa wanasafiri wanaenda zao shuleni, kwa mfano Mombasa High School, wanaenda sio wapi? Vipi huko kuhusiana huko kama wanasafiri wanakuja huku, je vipi?
We are from different background. Some of us were affected by these diseases. Okay, maybe not them but their parents. That is my worry most, and our parents are also worried about our safety back at school.
Kama hizi masks tunajua tunavaa kwa madarasani, lakini tukiwa kwenye dormitories obviously tutakuwa tuwaziacha, tutakuwa tunazivua. Kwa hivyo nilikuwa naomba walimu ili walizingatie kwa undani.
Standard 8 and Form 4 candidates are also skeptical of the 6-month learning window before the national examinations.
Watategemea na syllabus wale walimu ambao watatupeleka, kwa sababu tunaweza sema tutamaliza, kumbe walimu wenyewe pia wana changamoto zao. Kwa hiyo mimi I hope so.
Despite their underlying fears, 70% of students from public primary and secondary schools did indeed report back to school. Junei Karisa from Mombasa County for Channel 1 News Hour.